Asisten Menteri Luar Negeri Amerika Serikat Urusan Ekonomi dan Bisnis, Charles Harifkin, mengungkapkan, produk gula, kelapa, dan kakao di Indonesia, khususnya Bali, sangat digemari di pasar internasional seperti Amerika, Eropa, maupun Australia. Pemerintah Amerika memberikan perhatian khusus untuk pengolahan dengan menggelontorkan dana pinjaman sebesar 3,7 juta dolar bagi pabrik pengolahan gula, kelapa, dan kakao, perusahaan milik Amerika yang berada di wilayah Sibangkaja, Abian Semal Padung. Hal itu dilakukan untuk meningkatkan penghasilan petani, meningkatkan pengolahan gula, kelapa, dan kakao, serta pelatihan petani, sehingga dapat menjadi produk pemanis yang bersertifikat serta bertaraf internasional. Di samping itu, telah diekspor ke pasar Amerika, Eropa, dan Australia, karena hasil pengolahan gula, kelapa, dan kakao ini mampu mencapai 1.050 ton per bulan.
OPEC is going to help this company, and that's wonderful, by lending to them. But it's really not the government that's making investments, it's the private sector. The $262 billion that I talked about in ASEAN, $61 billion is here in Indonesia for the last 8 years, and another 61 or so in the coming 5 years comes from private companies that see enormous opportunity here. This country is extraordinary. The energy, the creativity, the potential growth, 250 million people, $1 trillion economy, part of the G20. But a country that has more cell phones than people, a country that is embracing technology. There are so many ways that American business can work together with Indonesian business, both large and small. And what we do in my Bureau of Economic Affairs is we try to work with our friends around the world to grow each other's economy, because John Kerry, our Secretary of State, believes strongly that economic policy is foreign policy, and foreign policy is economic policy. And the stronger our economic ties with friends like Indonesia, the stronger our friendship is as a nation. So this is an important part of it, because entrepreneurship stands to generate jobs here in Indonesia. Entrepreneurship is something that I think Indonesian people will be uniquely good at. And to the extent that we can lend expertise or connections to make that happen, we're proud of that.
Raiswantara dan Sufiatna, Bali TV.